G'day, watch this.
Professor Robert P. George, the McCormick Professor of Jurisprudence at Princeton University, visited Sydney recently as keynote speaker of the John Paul II Leaders Forum. Praised by US Supreme Court Justice and former Harvard Law School Dean Eleanor Kagan as one of the nation's most respected legal theorists, he is celebrated author of 14 books and numerous articles. I pointed out that the United States had reduced the power of political parties and increased the authority of the people through primaries, the retention of grand juries, and in some states, recall elections and citizen-initiated referenda. I then asked the professor whether Australians should consider adopting some of these tools of direct democracy. This was his answer.
Oh yes, I think every nation should consider ways of checking power. Political power is needed. I would not go as far as some to say that it's an evil, but a necessary evil. I don't think it's necessarily an evil. But unchecked power is a grave danger. And ultimately, it falls to the people themselves in any polity to be the guardians of their own liberty. You cannot rely on politicians. You cannot rely on judges. We hope they'll do their best. We hope they'll play their assigned role under the Constitution, whether it's a formal written document or otherwise. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it falls to the people to be the guardians of their own liberty, and they need the tools to be able to do that. So yes, I would consider referenda. We have referenda in some of our states, such as California. We don't have it at the national level. We do have it in some of our states. Recall elections, again, we have that in our states. We don't have it at the national level. At the national level, our public officials can only be removed on impeachment and conviction for high crimes and misdemeanors. But I think it is important for the people to have the tools by which to check the power of political leaders, because it really does fall to the people in any system to protect their own liberties.